Hey guys, welcome back to CG Dent Repair. We're here for part 2 of the 2009 F250. If you missed part 1, make sure to go back and see the rocker and cab corner repairs. But for this one, we're going to show you the frame repair. We got rid of all the rust, undercoated it to protect it for the future. It's very important here in the Northeast to protect your vehicle from all the different weather that we get, as well as the salt and brine they put on the roads when it snows. Check out how we helped our customer to protect their vehicle in the future. Thanks for watching. Stay right here to check out part 3 where we'll be repairing the service box for this truck. And don't forget to smash that like and subscribe button so you don't miss any of our other upcoming videos.